Hi sir, how are you?
Hello.
My name is Siam. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Nice to meet you as well. My name is Jim.
Jim, how are you?
I'm fine, and with the company Grotnes.
Good. So can you provide us a bit information what you do?
Sure. So our company is 125 years this year.
125 years.
We're a very old company,
Oh
yes.
my God, yeah.
And we specialize in metal forming.
Okay.
So we make systems for expanding, shrinking, roll forming, and spinning of parts. And all of our customers' parts start off as circular or tubular parts, and then we do the metal forming with them on our machines.
Okay, so can you show me the samples?
Yeah, so absolutely. So you have parts for automotive.
Okay.
So this is a muffler
Yeah, I think this, I know.
for a
this,
motorcycle.
Yeah, this I know.
So we make the machines that make this shape from this
Okay.
to reduce the end. And we make the machines that make catalytic converters.
Okay.
So we are making the machine that crimps this and sizes this end down, and also inserts automatically with robots
Wow.
these parts. These parts are for a valve. So you have a big water
Yeah.
tube, and you have a valve, and in this groove is a gasket. So this valve opens and closes to let the water or the fluid pass. So we make this piece starts off as flat, and we are making the forming to make it into this shape.
Wow. This is cool idea. Thanks for the information. Where is your company?
Our company is in Niles, Michigan.
Niles, Michigan.
Yeah, so we're in Chicago right now. We're about 90 miles.
91.
Yeah.
And also, you are producing this only for the US market? Or?
No. We have equipment in 32 countries, I believe, currently. So yeah, all around the world.
So my followers, they also would like to know if this industry is growing and there is job opportunities in this industry.
Absolutely. So we have, because of our diversity, we make equipment for a lot of different industries. So automotive, the forging industry, right now is growing is the aerospace industry.
Aerospace.
So some of the parts we make are for jet engines and rocket engines, like this part here. So this is for aerospace, definitely a growing industry. And also for, we say, packaging, and the steel and the fiber drums.
Yes.
We make all the machines that are making these. This is also a very growing industry.
Great. So this industry is growing.
Yes.
And your suggestion for the people, especially for the students who graduate, they should think about getting their education.
Technical degrees, absolutely, very good.
Thanks for the information and your time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.